Yo, 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 welcome back to the channel. So for today's tutorial, we're not going to need the laptop. So I've been doing a whole lot of traveling lately, and I thought this is the best time to show you guys my secret to packing a carry-on for a week's worth of travel. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis and I make videos about DIY projects around the house. I've filmed tutorials on how to use Adobe Premiere Elements, and when I get some cool filmmaking stuff in the mail, I unbox it on the channel here and give a short review. And when I travel someplace cool, I'm sure to vlog it. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. I absolutely hate waiting for baggage. It's just a huge pet peeve of mine. When I get to my destination, I want to have my bags on me and I want to head out and get going. So I've always traveled with carry-on only. And a lot of the people that I travel with are amazed at how much clothing I can get inside a carry-on bag. It's a week's worth, no problem. My wife and I traveled to Europe for 10 days, 3 countries, carry-on only. Now, one of the things with air travel is not only do you get a carry-on bag, but you also get a personal bag as well. So in my personal bag, I always bring things like my camera gear. I bring my toiletries inside that bag, usually a spare pair of shoes and another outfit. So what I'm going to show you today is how to pack a carry-on bag for 7 days of travel, plus the 8th day is in my backpack with another pair of shoes. So you're going to be able to take a whole lot of stuff with you. My packing methods are kind of a mixture of a few different kinds. So I definitely utilize the roll method. I also do a bundle method, and this is the secret that everybody needs to know: how to bundle your clothes inside a carry-on bag. So let me show you how this works and what I'm going to put inside the bag. So if you're going on a week's vacation, you're going to want at least 6 pair of pants. So here we got you covered. You're going to need some underwear. 7 pair of socks, got to keep those feet fresh. And of course, an extra pair of shoes. Alright, now let's get to the clothing. 2 dress shirts, a hoodie, 2 long sleeve shirts, 4 t-shirts, 2 undershirts, lucky hat. Alright, let's get to packing. On this side, we're going to use the bundle method. With the bundle method, you want to make sure that you're smoothing out your pants and using every nook, cranny, and corner of your suitcase. This will make for the most successful bundling method. So you'll notice as I lay down the clothes, I'm making sure that I put them to the corners of the suitcase. Once you have all your clothes stacked up, it's time to bundle. Now you're going to want to fold in all of the clothing that you have sticking out over the edges, and this is what's going to create the bundle. This method is absolutely amazing for keeping your clothes as wrinkle-free as possible. This is a big reason I love using this method. Once your clothes are all bundled up, lock down that strap and away you go. Now on to the next side of the carry-on. On this side of the carry-on bag, we're going to use the roll method, and this is also where we're going to put our pair of shoes. When packing footwear on my carry-on, I always like to make sure they're wrapped in a separate bag. This way it keeps my clothing clean. So there you have it, 2 shoes at the top and bottom of the bag. We're going to put in a hoodie, our undershirts, our underwear, and our socks. Once you've got all that in, zip up the bag, and it's time to close it. This is the main reason that I love having this type of hard shell bag, is you can compress the clothes. So don't be afraid to stick your knee on top of it, put a little weight on it, compress those clothes, and zip her up. So I hope this video helped you learn how to pack your carry-on bag for a week's worth of travel, and I encourage you to try it out and feel the stress lifted as you come off the plane with your baggage and head right out the exit. Don't look back at the carousel. You don't need to worry. You're on your way. So until next time, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and most importantly, take it easy out there.